Hey Eli, what are we eating for lunch? Show me, what are we eating for lunch? Uh-huh. What else? Pasta? Uh-huh. With tomato sauce? Is it good? Do you love it? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Do you love pasta? Yeah. Say, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, you love pasta. Hey, do you like food? Say, yeah. Say, yeah, I like food. Say, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Where's Daddy? Eli, where's Daddy? Is he out there? No. Daddy's at work. Yeah, he's at work. Yeah. Where's Edward? Where's Edward? Where's the kitty? You like Edward. Yeah. Where's Edward? Where's Daddy? Eli, where's Daddy? Yeah, not fooling me again, Mom. Oh, maybe out there? No. He's at work. I'm sorry I keep getting your hopes up. Well, enjoy your lunch.